Recording?
Yep.
Okay. This is an Extreme Scooter XG 550. Yeah, this is what it's doing. That's full throttle right there. You hear that popping noise? You hear the popping noise on it. All right. So that.